Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to today's video. And if you see Bank Nifty closing down 1.5% this week and Nifty closing down 1.5% also this week. And if you see Nifty has made a perfect bearish engulfing candle, Bank Nifty has also done that, made a perfect bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so what are we guys going to do this week? Are we going to be bearish on the market or are we going to be bullish on the market? Okay, so the simple answer is follow up. Okay, this word follow up is the simple answer. Okay, if the market really has to go bearish, markets will again close at lower levels for this week also. Even Nifty also and Bank Nifty also both will tend to close at lower levels itself this week. Okay, or at least not close above 51,000 in Bank Nifty, and in Nifty not close above 25,100. Okay, so now, as of the weekly charts, it looks like markets might be becoming a bit more bearish right now, okay? Because making a bearish engulfing candle at the top is a very bearish sign. And for Bank Nifty also, if you see, Bank Nifty though didn't even give you a lot of momentum on the upside and made a very big bearish candle. So as of now, the markets are looking a bit bearish, okay? But I'm going to go into the daily charts and show you guys what exactly can you do, what are the levels. Okay, if you see in Bank Nifty, what has happened is that Bank Nifty broke out from this trend line over here, and look at the buying that is coming. Okay, and that's why I always say that if the buying has to come, the buying will come very fast. Okay, if a breakout is genuine, the buying will come very fast. But if you see, the buying that was coming was very slow, right? Not really a great buying that was coming in Bank Nifty, and that's why if you see, the markets dipped down a lot on Friday. Okay, and same thing with Nifty also. If you see over here, Nifty has closed very negatively over here after breaking down from this trend line. Okay, so if you see the data also over here, pros are short big time. Okay, 5,58,000 short positions is a big number over here. Okay, and clients are long big time. So what you guys can do over here is going to be very simple. Okay, now these guys, they made their positions yesterday itself, right? Pros have made their positions yesterday itself. That means they will not let these positions go, not let go of these positions very fast. Okay, I mean, most of the time. Okay, sometimes yes, they do exit their positions very fast and they do not wait for a long time. But yes, sometimes, most of the times, what they will do is that they will first take down the market. They will first take their positions in profit and then in good profit, and then they will start to exit. Okay, so pros have made all of these short positions tomorrow. Okay, keep this in mind. Yesterday on Friday itself. Okay, before that they were actually long. So that means all of these short positions have been made on Friday in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. Okay, if you see, they've shorted 4,86,000 call contracts. Before this, they were long in calls. They've also bought a lot of puts. Before this, they were basically flat, right? Basically they didn't have any put buys. But if you see, now they're long 1,17,000 put contracts, and they've also continued to short their short futures also. If you see, they've continued to increase their future shorts over here. So they made a lot of positions, on Friday itself. That means they will first take the market down a little bit more, and then they might try to square off their positions. So as of now, I'm not saying that they cannot square off their positions in the first 1 or 2 days of the week itself. That can also happen, definitely. But what we will do is that we will go with the flow. Okay, we will stay on the side of pros. As I've said, that these guys are the ones who know the most, who are who we have to look up to. So as of now, 50,800 to 700 will be the best level to take a short position in Bank Nifty. Okay, markets have closed near 55.76, although they will open with a good gap down, given that on Friday US markets have also closed at day low. Okay, so what we are going to do is that 50,800 to 700, if the markets come over here in this zone, we will think about taking a short position again in the markets. Okay, this is a very good zone where you can take a short position, and from here you can easily, first of all, keep a target of 50,400 on the downside. I know you will be saying, oh, this is a big target, this that, but you have to understand that selling is always very fast. So you will not, so this will not take a very long time, 5,400, and after that you can also keep a target of 50,000. Okay, and keep this in mind that it is not impossible for the markets to go down till 50,000 on Monday also, okay? Because as I've said that when a sell off comes in the markets will move down very fast if it is a real sell off, okay? So even markets can move down till 49,800 to 700, this zone, this support zone over here, very easily also in the coming days, okay? So if tomorrow, if you get the markets near 50,800 to 700, this will be the best place to take a short position in the market down till 49,800 to 700. So 1,000 point move on a positional basis can be achieved in Bank Nifty easily, okay? If however we again close above 51,000, 51,000 now will be the important level that you need to watch out for, okay? If we close above 51,000 again on a daily basis, on a closing basis, if you go above 50,000, then markets can again become bullish on the upside, okay? In the next week markets can again become bullish, okay? So keep this in mind also. If we close above 51,000, markets will become pretty bullish in the coming time. Because why will the markets become bullish is I'm also going to tell you that. Because if you see, markets were moving up, markets then gave a breakdown, right, of this trend line, or breakout failure, you can say. Now a lot of people will start coming into short positions in the market, okay? And if now the market starts to recover, a lot of these sellers who would have sold over here, they will start to get trapped, right? Because of which we will see a short covering, which will take the market very fast on the upside also. So if the markets close above 51,000 for 1 or 2 days, that means the markets will then become pretty bullish. But until then, we will find opportunities at higher levels to take a short position, okay? So as I said, 50,800 to 700 will be the first level. 51,000, 51,050 to 51,000. This area will be the second level where you can think about taking a short position. I said that above 51,000, once we get a daily closing, right? But if in intraday the markets go near 51,000 to 51,100, you can think about taking a short position over there also, and then keep big targets also, okay? Above that, we will wait for the markets to see what it is exactly doing, because if we go above that, chances are the markets will not really again be trending on either side, okay? Maybe market, as I said, the markets will become pretty bullish, but maybe markets might give a bit more time of consolidation and then become bullish, okay? So if we open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 5,400, 300, all these levels, don't take a short position at opening, okay? Wait for a pullback in the markets, okay? The major level where we can see a pullback is going to be exactly this trend line over here. I'm going to just slightly move it over here. Yes, this trend line over here. If we open with a gap down, please don't take a short position at the opening itself. Rather wait for a pullback in the market all the way up till 50,600 to 50,600, this area over here. Once the market comes and you are seeing that market is starting to make negative price action, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a short position again. But at the opening, please do not take a short position, okay? I hope you guys understand that, because if you take a short position at the opening itself, chances are market will give a small pullback also and your stop loss will get hit, okay? So we don't want that. What we want is that we take a short position on a pullback so that we can get a small stop loss, and then the market can move down very fast on the downside, okay? So I hope you guys understand what exactly you have to do on Monday in Bank Nifty, okay? If we open flat, even if you open flat, wait for a pullback at least till 50,800 and then only go ahead and take a short position, or at least this zone, and then only go ahead and take a short position in the market, okay? So I hope you guys understood what you have to do in Bank Nifty. Now for Nifty, if you see, Nifty exactly taking resistance from this trend line after opening and seeing a very good sell. Oh, I'm sorry, that is the previous day's candle, but yes, over here Nifty opened with a slight gap down, tried to fill the gap, and then came down very fast, okay? So the major level in the market now will be 25,000. If Nifty comes near 25,000 or even 25,040 also, 25,000 to 25,040, don't just take, if Nifty starts to go about 25,000, doesn't mean that it will completely become bullish all of a sudden. 25,040, okay, 25,040 to 25,000. In this area, if you see that the markets are taking good resistance and markets have either made a very good rejection candle or the markets have started to make a negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a short position from that area. We can again see a sell off on the downside, okay? Now for Nifty, the level will be 25,150. I said 25,100, but actually I was wrong. It is 25,150, which is exactly this candle's high. Once we close about 25,150 on a daily basis, Nifty will also continue its move on the upside, and chances are then Nifty can easily also go up till 26,000 soon, okay? Because Nifty has given this trend line breakdown over here. If Nifty starts to move up now, it might also give you a fake out basically, okay? And then Nifty can move up very fast over here, go up till 26,000 also on the upside easily, okay? So that is for Nifty at higher levels where we want to take a short position, okay? That is 25,000 to 25,040. If that level breaks, then we have 25,000, you can say 120 to 25,160, okay, this area. And over here is where we will take the second chance of taking a short position, okay? But yes, these will be the levels where we'll take a short position. If you open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 24,750 or 24,720, 700, all these levels, don't take a short position at the opening itself. Rather, wait for a pullback in the market at least till 24,840 to 850. In this area is where you will again go ahead and take a short position in the market, okay? Please do not think about taking a short position at the opening itself, okay? Even if the market goes down, continues to move down after opening itself, that is fine, okay? If that happens, we will get a confirmation that the selling trend is over here, and then on every pullback we will get very good selling trades. But don't try to rush into the markets and take a short position. I hope you guys understand that, okay? So that is it for Nifty, okay? If you even if you open flat, then also at least wait for a pullback till 24,960 to 25,000. If not till 25,040, at least wait for a pullback till 24,960 to 24,960 to, you can say, 940 also. This is also fine, okay? At least wait for a pullback till this zone and then go ahead and take a short position. What might happen in Nifty, which could happen if you open flat, is that Nifty might try to first of all go above this high and then start to move down from here, because a lot of people will have their stop losses above this high, okay? So Nifty might try to first break this high and then start to come up, and that can happen even in this way. If I could again make it for you guys, Nifty might just go above this high, okay? This high is somewhere near 965 or 960 over here. Nifty might just go up till 970 or 980 and then also start to move down from here, okay? So if that happens, if Nifty is going above this high and then it is coming back down, right, that is also where you can go ahead and take a short position, because that would mean that a lot of people who would have kept their stop losses over here will need to take their stop losses, which means they will get trapped and then the markets can also move down, okay? In the case of Bank Nifty, there is not really any sort of a swing like this. One swing is this 50,800 swing, you can say, 50,820 swing, but aside from that, there is not really a swing like the one we have in Nifty, okay? So I hope you guys understood what you need to do. If this week we do not move down very fast and continue to move down, then chances are we might again see a reversal in the markets. But even that is warranted by the even that will only happen if we go above the levels that I mentioned. 25,150 in Nifty, and Bank Nifty, it will be 51,000 on the upside, closing above 51,000 on the upside, okay? So hope you guys understood that. But yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching till the end. I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.